Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the ham and brie grilled sandwich with a blackberry balsamic jam. There are a few versions of the ham and cheese that I dislike, and honestly my kids love it, so we make it at home all the time. This time we're gonna do it a little bit special. So we're gonna be using some thick cut smoked ham. It's going along with some brie cheese, and we're gonna make this blackberry balsamic reduction. Right now, it's gonna be like salty, sweety, savory sandwich. Now, at its core, this essentially what I'm calling a jam is just a balsamic reduction, but it's got the consistency of a jam, and partially because we're using fresh blackberries. One of the keys here is to use a quality balsamic. We've got ours from Texas Olive Ranch, which I've said it before, I'll say it again, I could eat with a spoon. But the whole goal here is just to break down these blackberries to reduce down the balsamic. Now onto the griddle. Inside the outer, we're gonna heat up our ham to make sure it's nice and hot when it hits the sandwich. We'll do a few slices for each one of our sandwiches. We don't need a hard sear on these. I just want to get some heat on them so that they're not cold in the finished sandwich. Now this has gone for about 15 minutes, and even though it's nice and hot right now, you'll notice that when I pull my spatula through it, it fills in slowly behind, and that's how we know that it's kind of at that consistency that we want. Let's build these grilled ham and cheese sandwiches now. We've got our blackberry balsamic jam going down on one side. So you got the sweet and the tangy there. Not a lot of ingredients here, so we're gonna be generous with all of them. Now on the opposite side, we're gonna spread some really creamy brie. I'm gonna leave that rind behind. Hey, that rhymes. That real sticky, icky. Ooh-wee. And then we'll go on with our ham. Ooh. Almost forgot, I wanna hit this with a little bit of black pepper. All right, back to the grill, let's get them toasted. Start by throwing some fat down. Again, we're at 400 degrees on the outer, tablespoon each for butter, and just a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Fat's melted, let's get sandwiches on here. Give them a toast. Let that cheese get a little melty. Let's close it up. Got that golden brown crust on there. One flip. It's only taking a few minutes. A few more minutes now. Looking good. See that cheese melting out. We're gonna pull these off. Smell incredible. That's how we should be doing it. I'm a mess, but I'm happy. It's sweet, but not too sweet. That balsamic gives you the tartness, but you're tasting all of the blackberry. You got the smoky savoriness of the ham, and that super creamy brie, all surrounded by this toasted brioche, which gives you just the right amount of contrast as far as texture goes. Everyone's here. I'm into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.